जो पहले 6 प्लेयर्स इस फ्लोटजिला पे पहुंचेंगे, they will be advancing to the next game. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome back to another episode of Dream World Game. We are at the Dream World Resort Floatzilla with the Members, a brand new installation at Dream World and Pakistan's very first inflatable water play area. वो 6 players जो इस गेम में जीतेंगे are going to be competing in 2 more games on Dream World's enormous inflatable, the Floatzilla.
This is the first ever feature here, the new facility of Floatzilla, so do check it out. और विनर को मिलेगा complimentary luxury room stay plus breakfast. उसके अलावा all our members will be getting cash vouchers. First one's down. Nice, congrats. Balance, like I said. So, second guy's in. Third guy's in. Congratulations on becoming the top 6. You guys will be advancing to the next game to compete for the chalet. Yeah! तो अब दूसरी गेम की तरफ आ चुके हैं। रूल्स बहुत सिंपल है। वी हैव टीम ए एंड टीम बी। 6 लोगों की 2 टीम्स बनेंगी और बारी बारी होगा। पहले पहली टीम जाएगी, फिर दूसरी टीम जाएगी। वेरी सिंपल रूल्स। आपको क्या करना है, इस ट्रैक से स्टार्ट करना है, ऑल द वे यू सी ऑल द ऑब्स्टिकल्स, पूरा क्रॉस करके बिल्कुल फ्लोटजिला के सेंटर पे जा रहा है आपको, ठीक है। लेकिन द ट्विस्ट हियर इज कि आप एक साथ नहीं जा सकते। यू हैव टू गो विद द बॉल। जिस मेंबर के हाथ में बॉल होगी वो पहले जाएगा और आपको स्ट्रेटेजाइज करना है कि हम किस तरीके से बॉल को नेविगेट करें ताकि टाइम पर तीनों पहुंच जाए। और दोनों टीम में से जो सबसे कम टाइम में पहुंचेगा, ऑल 3 ऑफ देम एट द फ्लोटजिला विल ऑब्वियसली विन। और ये रूल याद रखें कि अगर आपके हाथ में बॉल है तो आप जा सकते हैं, एंड देन यू गिव इट टू योर टीम मेंबर, दे गो। उससे बगैर आप नहीं जा सकते, एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट। Those are the rules, and we're about to begin a really thrilling game. And it's about to begin in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so this game is all about strategizing. You have to work with your team. तरीके से करना है, make sure आप गिरे नहीं क्योंकि time is of the essence. The hardest part here is again instability. पहले हमने एक गेम की थी about horses. अगर आप लोगों ने already वीडियो देखी हुई है तो great, नहीं तो you can check it out. उसमें ही मैंने instability की बात की थी. When your ground is unstable, that's the biggest challenge. But आप उसको सबसे ज़्यादा use भी कर सकते हो. कैसे? You can see these contestants. It's about how you know your own weight, the nature which is water, and also the timing. अच्छा, इनकी strategy बड़ी अच्छी है. They're going all together at the same time. क्योंकि अगर नहीं करेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा इनको फेंकनी पड़ेगी बॉल बहुत दूर तक, and that's not that easy, honestly. क्योंकि एक तो अनस्टेबल है, ऊपर से टाइम का मसला है, ऊपर से 3 लोग हैं, यू हैव टू मैनेज। एक और एलिमेंट है हवा का। ये बॉल बहुत लाइट है, अगर जाहिर सी बात है आप सही से नहीं फेंकोगे, इट कैन फॉल एंड यू हैव टू गेट इट ऑल ओवर अगेन। ओके, दे आर गोइंग वेरी वेल, माशाल्लाह से दे आर डूइंग वेरी वेल। ओके, नाइस फॉल, दे आर डूइंग सो वेल सो फार। ओह, द गाय इन द येलो शर्ट, ही फेल, बट इट्स ओके। Okay, he's going back up, he's going back up, he's going back up. The thing I love about, especially the Dream World kids, is that they're all very fit. They're all very smart, they're very capable, they know what they're doing. तो ये challenges में मज़ा भी आता है। अब इनकी स्ट्रैटेजी, ओह बैड फॉल, बट इट्स ओके, करीब में तीनों साथ हैं। ओह बिल्कुल एंड टाइम पे, इन द मिडल। दिस इज इवन हार्डर देन इट लुक्स एक्चुअली, क्योंकि बिल्कुल बीच में it's like a row of like nothing, but they're doing very well. The teamwork is very commendable. Come on guys, almost there. Nice. Oh nice. Oh, पकड़ लिया. Okay, good. First member of team is here. Ah! It's in the back. They've got it. Just keep swimming. Oh! यहीं से जाना है. It's okay. Air and water together, not a good combo. Come on, bro. Come on. Just keep swimming. अब तो easy. अब तो हलवा है. I like how he balanced it. Nice. And the team has crossed it. That's a time. Now we're gonna go with the second team in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, nice. Okay, they're treading very lightly. Nice, nice. It's almost like the Three Stooges. I love it. Because they're very smart. They're very resourceful. अच्छा कर रहे हैं लोग, अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Okay. I think they have a good strategy down. ये तो बहुत जल्दी नहीं कर रहे हैं. I like how they're using the, I would say, the ant effect. Ants do that, you know, they one by one, they help each other. A lot of animals have this instinct. I think they're doing very well, actually. एक दो steps हमेशा ऊपर नीचे करते हैं, but again, because of the ball, it's a very hard challenge. Okay, nice, nice. I like the fact that they're following the rules as much as possible. I could have done a split. Oh, nasty fall. It's okay, they'll survive. Oh. They threw the ball very far. ये इनको एक time disadvantage मिलेगा यहाँ पर. But if they recover from this, the air factor. The biggest problem is already instability है. On top of that, the ball is light and the air is unforgiving. So ये एक मसला है यहाँ पे अभी. And that's what makes it more thrilling because you don't know how they will outwit. It's all about using your wits and your wits and your wits. Okay. अपनी original position पे, yes. But I have hope. They might cross the time limit. I don't know. They might not. Okay. Oh, another fall. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just keep swimming. Finding Dory. That's your motivation right there. Again, same mistake. Same mistake. They're overshooting the ball and दो बार कर चुके हैं. And that's what's going to be the deciding factor. Hey. Excuse me. Hello. वहाँ गिरे हो, वहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. तो सबने ऐसे ही किया है. Bro. वहाँ से ही करना है आपको. बॉस आप जगह पे जाएं, आप तो पूरा आपने क्रॉस किया है. हाँ. Yeah. You can't have leniency. आपको ऊपर जाना है. चलो. Rules need to be followed sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But it's the dream world. It's okay. Come on. अच्छी strategy. Okay, the first one in the team is here. Second की बारी. Let's see second कौन आता है. They have a good strategy. They're spreading the legs enough. Congratulations, very good effort. ये है हमारी teams. ये है इनके time displays. And the winner is Team A. They will be moving on on to the final game, and congratulations to Team B for giving a great effort, a great competition, and they will be getting cash vouchers that they can use in any restaurant all over Dream World. So even if you lose, you get to eat. आखिरी गेम की तरफ हम आ गए हैं. Congratulations so far. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा खेला है. That's why you guys are here. You guys did the best you could. Use your wits, your weight, and everything that you could. अब आखिरी गेम के रूल्स आपको मैं समझाता हूँ. बहुत सिंपल है. आप लोग 3 हैं, लेकिन जीतेगा सिर्फ एक, obviously, and they will get an all expenses paid night at the chalet with their family plus breakfast. So, rules are very simple of this game. It's called Bring the Tube. करना क्या है? पूरे Floatzilla पे there are about 7 tubes, ठीक है? और जो आप तीनों में से पहले 3 tubes यहाँ ला के रख देगा, टावर करके किसी भी तरीके से 3 ला के रख देगा out of the 7, will win the chalet. Also, you have to make sure that you are very, very quick. That's very important. क्योंकि आप सिर्फ 3 हो. Error का chance इस तरीके से है नहीं जैसे पहले था. You have to be very smart, you have to be very capable, and you have to be determined. Any questions? All good. We're gonna move on to the last game. और अगर आपको भी इस टाइप की games और challenges में participate करना है, तो अभी Dream World के member बने. Commencing the last game in 3, 2, 1, go! Like they're hauling at it, bro. Again, it's all about speed, calculation, time, and how you use the time you have. आपको तौर तरीके से करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एक और obstacle ये है, there are a bunch of members, there are a bunch of kids. There's like so much happening all at once. Okay, पहला tube आ रहा है, पहला tube is in possession. Yeah, but it's a lot. Whoa! Disqualified. No, I'm kidding. Okay, and the other contestant has a second one. Okay, great. 2 contestant के एक हो गए हैं, लेकिन तीसरे contestant still doesn't have any, so it's okay. We're gonna see how it goes. उसने grab तो कर लिया है. If वहाँ से अगर launch कर ले, that'd be crazy. That would be smart. Okay, तीनों के एक हो गए हैं. Let's see what happens. It's race against the time. And another one with the 2. This guy has the edge. Literally on the edge. Okay, he has another tube. इनके भी 2 हो जाएंगे. This is how this game goes. When you're dedicated and you're determined. Okay, nice. 2 के 2 हो गए हैं. 2-2. Okay, I think he's got it. I think he just has to throw it. Now this is anyone's game क्योंकि तीनों के 2-2 हो गए हैं. जो भी अब next tube लाएगा, he's going home. I think we have a winner. I think he's near the finish line. Congratulations to Mr. Ahmed Naseeb for being the winner of this competition. He played with a lot of heart, a lot of grit, and he came out on top. Congratulations. He's got the chalet. And again, thank you so much for watching Dream World Games. और ऐसी वीडियोस देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.